In this lab, crude caffeine will be purified via sublimation. Then, purity will be determined by melting point. Once the methylene chloride has evaporated, collect the vial containing the dry crude caffeine. Weigh the vial and record the change in weight. To perform a sublimation, you will need 3 pieces of glassware: a cold finger, a multi-purpose adapter, and a conical vial. To assemble the sublimation apparatus, fit the glass joints together and tighten the screw cap. Next, insert the cold finger and tighten the bushing. The cold finger needs to be filled with ice water. For this, fill a beaker with ice and add DI water. While the water chills, assemble the equipment in the fume hood. First, we'll connect the microburner to the gas. To do this, locate the gas knob and attach the hose to the appropriate nozzle. Attach the other end to the microburner. Make sure the microburner is open. Turn to the left to let more gas out, and turn to the right to restrict the flow. To use a flint striker, push down and across. Test out the microburner to ensure everything is functioning. If not, try adjusting the microburner. Clamp the sublimation apparatus to the ring stand. Then, attach the vacuum hose to the multi-purpose adapter. Turn on the vacuum. Using a long Pasteur pipette, add the cold water to the cold finger. Start the microburner and heat the crude caffeine gently. If the sample begins to melt, remove the heat for a few seconds. Once the sublimation is complete, turn off the gas and remove the water from the cold finger. While waiting for the apparatus to cool, weigh a watch glass and record the mass. This will be used to measure the purified caffeine. Once the apparatus is room temperature, carefully remove the vacuum hose. Remove the sublimation apparatus from the ring stand. As carefully as possible, remove the conical vial. Scrape the purified caffeine into the pre-weighed watch glass. Weigh the purified caffeine. Calculate the weight percentage recovery. Get a capillary melting point tube. Tap the open side of the tube into the purified caffeine. Then drop it down a hollow tube to compact the caffeine. Fill and compact the tube until it looks like this. Dime for scale. This is an image of the melting point apparatus which will be used in this lab. The capillary tube will be inserted at the top of the apparatus. Inside there are 3 slots for capillary tubes. Slide the capillary tube into any of these slots. Instructions to operate the melting point apparatus are located on the wall by the instrument. Press the Enter key. Set the temperature you want, in this case, 229 degrees Celsius. Press Return. Set the ramp to 1 degree Celsius per minute. Press Return twice. Wait for 3 beeps. Press the Return key. Observe the melting temperature.